Want to upgrade your apartment without spending a fortune? Here are some easy decor ideas that actually work. First up, embrace minimalism. Less clutter creates more space and peace of mind. Add some life to your home with plants. Even one small succulent can make a big difference. Use mirrors to make your space feel bigger and brighter. Place them across from windows to reflect light. Choose multifunctional furniture. Think beds with storage, foldable desks, or ottomans that double as tables. Layer your lighting. Mix ceiling lights, floor lamps, and cozy string lights for a warm, inviting vibe. Maximize your vertical space. Install shelves, hooks, or hanging organizers to clear your floor. Use texture to add depth. Throw blankets, rugs, and pillows can instantly warm up your apartment. Create a focal point like bold wall art or a statement chair to anchor the room. Make it personal. Display your favorite books, photos, or travel souvenirs to show your style. Keep it cohesive. Stick to a color scheme and consistent design style to tie it all together. Try out a few of these ideas and watch your apartment transform. Simple, stylish, and totally doable.